Hey, what's up everyone? Matt here. Today I want to show you guys this mattress topper from LINSY Living. I have a few things from them inside their home. I really like it, so we got this mattress topper for my son's bedroom. It's supposed to be about 3 inches thick, so I'm gonna cut it open, let it decompress, and show you guys the setup and what it all looks like. All right, guys, so I had to move this into a different room and let the pad kind of decompress out. But while it's doing that, I wanted to show you guys some cool stuff. So this is the bottom side of it. And so these are straps. So when you sit on top of the mattress, you can adjust these and loop it under the mattress to keep the pad right in place. And then if you also look here, there is a zipper that goes all the way around. So if it gets wet or anything like that, you can take it off and you can wash the cover for the entire pad. Okay, so you can see here, I have the pad on top of the mattress here in my son's room, and I'm getting ready to put the sheets on. I will tell you right now, I laid on it as soon as I put the straps under. It is super comfortable. We'll see how this works out because my son's mattress already itself was a very, very thick mattress. I have a feeling the bed sheets are not going to fit all the way over all of that. In our spare bedroom, it probably will, but on this one, I have a feeling it's going to be tough. I'm gonna have a hard time doing it, but the pad itself on top of the mattress right now is extremely comfortable. All right, so it fit with the sheets and everything. Now I will tell you this, it is very, very comfortable. So if you have a outdated mattress or something that you're trying to make a little more comfortable, this is a really good mattress pad. I highly recommend.